reflecting on the field over the last, well, it's actually, it's 35 years. I was 15 years sober when I went to school. There's been a lot of progress in terms of research and identifying some of the factors that are common with alcoholics. They've identified some of the genetic markers. I remember a study in Texas many years ago that they thought that they could identify genetic markers in children, and they followed them for like 15 years to find out if any of them did become alcoholic. I never heard an outcome on that one. But there's been so much research and so many studies, and some of them have really benefited. One thing that worries me is the tendency to think that there is an answer, because I still believe what I was told in the very beginning, that people are alcoholic because there's something different about their chemical makeup. As a matter of fact, they've now identified the different receptors in the brain. Alcohol is attracted to some receptors. What drug you happen to be addicted to depends on which of your brain receptors respond to that drug. And, you know, that's been proven. So it's still a physical disease which affects every aspect of your being, you know, spiritual, mental, all of it. And I think that there are many different answers, there are different approaches. It worries me that it's all put under one, you know, you do it this way and this is the right way. I don't think there ever will be a cure, but I think that treatment does work. But again, it's been proven, treatment does work. My model of treatment, my personal model of treatment, would be a minimum of 1 month. They used to say 28 days. A minimum of a month inpatient with limited access to family visits, very limited, because the family can push buttons like nobody else can. And just flooded with information about behavioral triggers, emotional triggers, and the physical effects of alcohol on the body. And then the AA model of recovery, because it's still the one that works the best. You know, there are other models out there. It's still the one that works the best for the most people.